Hi guys, in this session I'm going to explain and at the same time or operators in a if condition or if statements. So what you have to understand before going to the and at the same time or operators, just I want to give you some details in previous example. So then onwards I will continue with the and or conditions. And first thing is, if you are not greater than means it is equal to less than or equal to. And I want to say one more thing: greater than equal to, not a greater than equal to means less than. So both the things you have to understand. If it is not true, is not true means that false. Not false is means that true. So this is the thing you have to remember. Here I want to tell not a greater than means less than or equal. Not a less than or equal means greater than. So instead of not greater than, you can use less than or equal to. So this is the logic I used to give a explanation to the example. These both if conditions with the nested if statements, it is given a same result. Because of this, not true means false, not false means true. Because of this logic, eh, this example worked. So I hope you understood. I will continue with the next example. I want to take age as a input to be integer. I will try to explain you one by one. Please follow the steps that I am writing. I am using a and operator. What happens I will explain you after writing a code. Okay, here I am using a and operator. One thing you have to understand, if anything is any statement using a and operator means that both the conditions to be true and true only is true only gives true. So means that if it age is greater than or equal to 16, it is true. If age is like less than or equal to 65, it is true. If both conditions to be true, then only it gives a result true. Then only it comes to the print statement in a if block. Otherwise, it follows the else block. So I can change this code. Okay, I will show you output. Then I will continue with the addition of some other code. Your age is 14. Enjoy your free time. Yeah, it comes to the else block because this is false. Age greater than or equal to 16 is false. So no need to check for age less than or equal to 65. Why? Because one is false means that automatically it becomes false. Rerun. Enter. Here age is greater than or equal to 16. True. Age is less than or equal to 65. True. True and true gives a true. So because of that, it entered into the if block and it is given its working time as a output. So there is many more things, many alternative things. Enjoy your free time. Why it is given? It is false, and at the same time it is false. So it is automatically became a false. So that's why it came to the else block. I will suggest you to look at the true and true of the AND table, false and false of the R table. Say many combinations. Please try to check the truth table. I'm not explained here what is the truth table. Try to Google it. I will write the same code in a different manner so that you can understand. So I will copy paste. What happens if I do something different? I hope you understand. Here I'm using a OR operator. Anyone is true, anyone is true, then it is a true. Previously I explained you when it will be if condition becomes true. At the same time I will trying to make you understand what is R and how it will be executed. What I say is, if anything is statement in this statement age less than or equal to true, if it is true, so you need not to check for age greater than or equal to 65. If age less than or equal to 16 is false, so everything is false. You need not to check for R condition to execute. Automatically it enters into the else block. If age greater than or if age less than or equal to 16 is false, then it will enter into the print of the else statement. So if anyone is true, it is true. If anyone is false, it is false. Try to execute it. 16, enter. Both are giving a same result. One more time. For to write a code, we have so many logics. For to get a same output, we can write in many ways. So these are the two code blocks I am showing to you how it is working in the same manner. Okay, I hope you understood. So there is some logical things to be understood. If if you are using a AND operator, you have to check for a anything to if anything false, it is becomes a false. If you are looking for a or anything is true, then it becomes a true. I hope you got a clarity. See you in the next session.